Tamarind is a leguminous tree bearing edible fruit that is indigenous to tropical Africa. The genus Tamarindus is monotypic, meaning that it contains only this species. It belongs to family of Fabaceae. Benefits: tamarind is effective in maintaining good gastrointestinal health. It contains high dietary fiber which helps with bowel movements. Tamarind protects the stomach lining and can help prevent ulcers. Tamarind helps in reducing the risk of heart complications. The fiber in tamarind helps in reducing cholesterol in the body, regulating blood rates as well as blood sugar. Tamarind is also a good source of iron, and one serving provides about 10% of the recommended daily intake of iron. Iron can help in fighting against anemia. Possible side effects: tamarind is basically a blood thinner, and it helps in lowering blood pressure. However, in the event of an accident or injury, more blood might be lost. It is also recommended that if an individual is already taking blood-thinning medication, they consult with a healthcare practitioner before including tamarind to the diet. Quantity recommendations: it is recommended that an individual consumes 10 grams of tamarind in a day. This will ensure that excess fluoride content in the body is reduced.